Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Tara. I thought it would be super fun today for us to make some incredibly simple blueberry muffins. Not only are these muffins easy to make and super delicious, but they're actually good for you and you guys are gonna absolutely love them. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video. Sunday, we are making an incredibly delicious chicken with mixed vegetables in our Instant Pot, complete meal, rice, everything. You do not want to miss this recipe. Be sure to click the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make some really delicious but simple blueberry muffins, then keep on watching. Today's shopping list, a complete list will also be in the description box below. So we're gonna start with some ground flax, then we're gonna add some rolled oats. I'm using gluten-free. We're gonna add some pink salt, some ground cinnamon, and then we're gonna add some coconut sugar. I'm using coconut sugar here. I love coconut sugar because it's not a refined sugar. However, if you are following a sugar-free diet, simply replace the coconut sugar with something like monk fruit or stevia or any other kind of granulated sweetener that you prefer. Next, we're gonna add some baking powder. The baking powder is gonna give these muffins lift, vanilla extract, and some lemon extract. Super delicious in here. We're gonna add some melted coconut oil, and then we're gonna give everything a quick pulse to see where we're at. The mixture was still a little bit crumbly, so we're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk. You can use any kind of milk that you like. I suggest adding a little bit at a time until you get about this consistency here. When it sticks together and it's perfect. I'm using a cookie scoop. You can just use a spoon, but you want to put about 1/4 of a cup inside each of the muffin cups and then press it down with your fingers. Then we're gonna grab our blueberries. I'm using frozen. This is a really great hack so they retain their beautiful blueberry shape. I love my muffins to have that crispy, sweet topping. It's super easy to do. So we're gonna grab some rolled oats, put it in a bowl, and then we're gonna add some coconut oil. It's important to use melted coconut oil and you don't have to allow it to cool off. You can just pour it in there when it's hot. I melt mine in my microwave and I just check it every 15-20 seconds and see if it's melted. And then we're gonna add a little bit of pink salt and give it a mix. And we're gonna top each of the muffins with this mixture. You could also add some nuts to this if you like. It's up to you. And once you have the topping all on, you're gonna sprinkle each muffin with just a little bit of coconut sugar. Trust me guys, it makes a delicious topping. We're gonna bake it for about 18 to 22 minutes until they're perfectly golden. Your entire house will smell amazing. Allow them to cool completely before transferring them to a wire rack. These muffins are so incredibly delicious, easy to make, fast to make. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe. What did you think of today's video? Drop me a comment below. Let me know either a recipe idea you have, a video series you're interested in. Do you want to see more baking, low carb, Instant Pot? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you liked today's video and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that like button and share this video on all of your social media platforms with your friends, your family, your coworkers, or anyone else that you know that is interested in healthy but delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.